This AI system replaced a 2,000-pound per month virtual assistant, not by working harder, but by removing repetitive work completely. Most online businesses don't struggle because of bad ideas. They struggle because too much time is lost on tasks that don't actually move things forward. Emails, scheduling, data entry, follow-ups, admin work that quietly eats hours every single day. Hiring a virtual assistant feels like the obvious solution, but it comes with ongoing costs, training time, communication gaps, and constant oversight. So instead of adding another person, I replace those tasks with an AI-driven system. Not a complicated setup, not a technical build, just a structured workflow that runs quietly in the background. Here's how it works at a high level. Instead of reacting to tasks one by one, the system follows simple rules. When something comes in, it gets read, understood, and handled automatically. Messages are sorted. Information is organized. Routine responses are handled without manual input. Nothing magical. Just automation applied where it makes sense. Before using this system, simple admin tasks could take hours every week. Inbox management alone was a daily distraction. Scheduling meant unnecessary back and forth. Tracking information required constant attention. Now those same tasks happen automatically. Not perfectly, but consistently. And consistency is what actually saves time. The biggest difference isn't speed, it's mental space. When repetitive work is handled by a system, focus shifts to decisions that matter: planning, building, improving. This approach doesn't remove human involvement, it removes friction. And that's why it works. This kind of system isn't for people looking for shortcuts. It's for people who want structure, clarity, and sustainable workflows. If you're running a business, managing content, or handling operations online, automation like this changes how you work. You stop reacting, you start designing, and once a system is in place, it keeps working quietly in the background. If you want more practical breakdowns of AI systems like this without hype or overcomplication, subscribe to GLAMZY AI Lab. In the next video, I'll show how to start building simple automation like this without writing any code.